welcome back to our day 3 of Medal Split Challenge. I'm Anastasia, welcome back to my channel. Each class will be harder and harder each time, so I hope you are fully prepared for the intense training today, especially your hips. Wear something comfy and let's get started. We begin with a gentle warm-up in a half lotus position, started with the head. Head goes forward 1 and back 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, side to side, and 1 and 2, ear touches the shoulder, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great. Now we're moving our chest in circles 1 and 2. When you go forward, push your knees down to the floor. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Change side. 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and come back to center, opening up the chest, doing a gentle rotation with our body. Straight your arm and hand goes up and gently down. Feel this gentle stretch in the side of your body and come back to center. Other hand 1, open up 2, hand up 3 and down 4, 5, 6, change 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now be moving to our elbows and doing the hip rotation. Knee goes in circle 1, open the leg, and 2 and 3, open, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and last one. Great. Change leg, and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2. Perfect. Next exercise, we open one knee to the side, another knee to the side, and butterfly, and open both legs. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Butterfly, both legs wide open. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Finish. Go into our knees. Open one leg to the side. We are doing a half medal split lunge. Gently go down, creating a one line between our knees, and come back. Make sure you pushes your hips forward. Straight posture. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, we stay down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Move into lunge. Straight the back knee and rotate the hips to the middle split lunge and come back to front lunge. Let's go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Don't bend the back knee. 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you have a 90 degrees angle in your front feet. 2 and 3, 4, and good job. Finish. Now let's change legs. Open one leg to the side and we go down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we hold down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to lunge, straight the back knee and rotate to the middle split lunge. And 1, 2, rotate the hips. 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Continue with Spider-Man. Hips are low. Make sure your knees are looking to the sky. Few more times. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and we go down to our hips, opening the leg wide, feeling comfortable here, and we do the hip rotation here, and 1, 2, another leg going inside, rotate to your max and come back, rotate to your max, come back, rotate, come back, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hands to the side, and we lean back to the right. 1 and 2, to the left, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, all the way down. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Perfect. Come back to center. Next exercise is going to be a little bit harder. Hands up. We go into the side 1. We push forward 2. We move to the other leg. Push forward, push side, and up. One more time. Push side, push forward, move to another leg. Push forward, push side, and come back. Let's go. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Few more times. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Push 5, 6, 7, and 8, and side, front, move, and front, side, 7 and 8. Good job. Now we gently moving forward with our body. Deep exhale and relax here. Try to stay as low as possible. It's great if you can touch the floor with your chest. We stay here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good job. Now we gently move the body to the right and going down to our right leg, and we stay down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deep exhale, push lower and change leg. Moving to our left leg, hands forward, and we stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we are coming back to our knees and going to do the frog position. Make sure you have a good slide. If you feel like your knees are stuck in and you can go deeper, you can use a small towels or small pillows under your knees so they go wider. When we go down to our frog position, go to your elbows and gently move forward and back. Forward and back, increasing the mobility in our hips. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Push more forward, push more back. And push hips down to the max. Good job. You can help with your hands to push your hips lower. And gently come back to normal. Now we are fully ready for our middle split. We're starting from the standing position. Gently move your leg wide and slowly slide into the middle split. Hold your body weight with your arms so it doesn't feel that intense. We're going all the way down to your max and we stay here for 1 minute. Make sure your knees are straight. It's super important. That's it. We did it. Thank you very much for watching this video and training with me. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to put a like and a comment. I would really appreciate that. Also subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any new video. And I'm going to see you tomorrow at day 4. Bye!